Mr. Painter with another fabulous IXL tutorial. Today we're working on O2 classified triangles. All right, so given the example we have here, it's asking for what kind of triangle is this? And we got a 64 degrees, 90, 26 degrees, and it's asking for the word acute, a right, or obtuse triangle. All right, first thing is we're going to do is we're going to learn with an example and see what happens. So it's asking for if the triangle's it's a triangle scalene. Okay, so a couple of vocabulary terms we need to know. An equilateral triangle has 3 equal sides, and an isosceles triangle has 2 equal sides, and a scalene triangle has 3 different angles. This triangle is scalene because all 3 angles are different. All right, so taking a look at this triangle, we're going to look at all 3 measurements. In any given triangle, all these angles will add up to 180 degrees. Now, it is automatically a right triangle if you see a 90-degree angle in there somewhere. It goes back to the Pythagorean theorem. So if you see a 90 in there, right away it's right. Now, any number that is over 90 degrees is considered obtuse. So if that says 91, 92, and higher, that's obtuse. Now, if all 3 angles are under 90 degrees, that would be acute. Let's get started. So this one right here is a perfect 90-degree angle. That is a right triangle. Moving along. Okay, notice that right here we have a degree that is bigger than 90, so automatically that is obtuse. So a triangle has 2 sides measuring 17 and 1 side measuring 9. Is this triangle scalene? Okay, so remember a scalene triangle has has actually 1 side. Basically all the sides are different. So this triangle is not scalene because in a scalene triangle, all 3 sides have to be different. And here 2 sides are the same, so this one's a no. A triangle has angles, measurements of 97, 32, 51. Is a triangle scalene? Scalene means all 3 sides are different, and they are. So yes on that one. A triangle has angle measurements of 72, 52, and 56. What kind of triangle is it? Because they're all under 90, that is an acute triangle. All right, cooking right along at 43. What kind of triangle is this? Well, if we have 2 sides that are the same, that's called an isosceles triangle. So we have an isosceles, but not equilateral. Remember, the word equilateral means all 3 sides are the same. So it is isosceles, and all 3 sides are definitely not the same, so it's not equilateral. Beautiful right there. All right, what kind of triangle is this? 1, 2, 3, all 3 sides are under 90 degrees. That has to be an acute triangle. What kind of triangle is this? 1, 2, we have a 96-degree angle right there, so that has to be obtuse because it's bigger than 90 degrees. We're at 60 points, cooking right along. What kind of triangle is this? We have a 90, 57, and a 33. 90, 57, 33. Oh, 90 degrees, automatically it is a right triangle. What kind of triangle is this beautiful thing right here? So we got a 36, an 83, a 61. Options are equilateral. Equilateral is not an option because all 3 sides are not the same. Isosceles means that 2 of the sides are the same. Definitely not all 3 sides are different, so this has to be a scalene triangle because 1, 2, 3 sides are all different. And also when the angles are all different too, that tells you the sides will be all different as well. All right, 68 points. What kind of triangle is this? We have a 90-degree angle. This is a right triangle. Classify this triangle by its sides. These little marks represent matching sides. So if one mark matches another one mark, then that would indicate they're the same size. So the problem here is this one mark does not match 2 marks, which 2 marks does not match 3 marks. So they are telling you in this particular triangle that all three sides are different. And when all three sides are different, this has to be a scalene triangle. 75 points, a couple more to go. Classify this triangle by its sides. Same thing. Instead of marking the sides, they have marked the angles. When the angles have the same kind of line, that means 2 or 3 will match. So in this case, we have 1, 2 angles will match, which means this side here and this side here are the same length. Across from the 2 point, it means this side is different from these two. So we have a triangle with 2 matching sides, 2 matching angles, 2 matching sides. Therefore, we will have isosceles, but it cannot be equilateral because equilateral means all 3 sides are the same, and that's definitely not happening. So isosceles on that one. And how about one more question for this beautiful IXL? Classify its triangles by its sides. We have 1, 2 sides that are matching. It's not scalene. It's not equilateral, but it is isosceles because 2 sides out of 3 match. All right. Thank you and have a great day. This concludes IXL O.2.